This is a copy of Hugh Ramage's Rapier Loom. I particularly like this model for its neat and efficient design. I've tried to copy it as close as I could. Some things I changed because I only had a video to work from and not everything was clear, so I just built it as closely as I could. Rapier looms are interesting in that the thread is taken across the shed from just one side by this long rod called a rapier because it's like a sword, and it goes through, and when it gets to this end the thread is caught by this hook, and then the rapier goes back and pulls the weft, that's the blue thread, and back through. So on the left hand side the thread is not well supported as it is on the right side because of the warps. That's the front to back threads changing position. In a fully professional machine, the piece that is left sticking out is tucked in to the cloth so that it doesn't just hang out. In this simplified model, it is just left to hang out there, and it doesn't look great and it's not very secure. There's a motor in the bottom, just one motor, and that drives the heels, which are these wire things that pull the warps up and down alternately to get the weave. It drives the rapier through this mechanism here, and it drives the sleigh. That's the whole thing with the rapier and everything, backwards and forwards to tighten up the weave. It also drives the tensioning roller at the front through these gears, and on my version I needed to add a way to get some back tension on all the warp threads, so that is done here, and the individual bobbins can slip on the axles, but they are basically being pulled tight all the time. Now we can see it working in detail. I'm using a different color thread for the weft, and it's thinner and it seems to be working better. It's being gripped more tightly, and the sleigh is now coming forward and compressing the cloth. Well, that's it for the Rapier Loom. Thanks for watching.